Hello friends, welcome to the Arif Chrome channel. In this video we will discuss Get Chrome OS Flex. Finally, Google has officially launched the latest version of Chrome OS Flex, which you can use directly on your laptop or PC. Actually, there is not much difference between the beta version and the stable version. It's just that lots of bugs that were in the previous version have been fixed. So if you use the stable version, it will be much better and also more comfortable compared to the beta version. Then there is definitely a question that you will ask, namely, is there a new version of the Google Play Store? The answer is still not. Because Google Play Store is still only available on the Chrome OS version of Chromebook. Google Play Store is still not available. Then can't we install additional applications? The answer is still possible. Because we can activate the Linux development environment, so you can install applications and games that can be played on Linux. So for gaming, can we install Steam Chrome OS Flex? Of course, I can. So can Chrome OS Flex be made to dual boot with another operating system such as Windows or perhaps another Linux-based operating system? The answer at this time is still not possible. Chrome OS Flex can still only be installed in full on your laptop or PC, so if you want to install Chrome OS Flex, all the data on your laptop or PC will be deleted. But the way to install it yourself is very easy, and now we will go directly to how to install the latest version of Chrome OS Flex. Now we will create a bootable Chrome OS Flex. The method is very easy. First, you can directly install a flash disk into your laptop or PC, at least 8 GB. After that, open your browser. We suggest you use Google Chrome. Then click here Chromebook Recovery Utility. After that, enter. Then select the top one, which is Chromebook Recovery Utility from chrome.google.com. After that, you add to Chrome to add the extension and select Add Extension. Next, you can open the extension. Then we minimize the browser first, and all you have to do is select Get Started. After that, here you select a model from this, then select Manufacturer, select Chrome OS Flex. Next, in the product selection, select Chrome OS Flex and select Continue. Next, select the flash drive that you want to make bootable, then select Continue again. After that, just select Create Now. Then wait for the Chrome OS Flex creation process to complete. Here, make sure you are connected to the internet, because making this bootable is done online. Once finished, there will be information like this, and you can select Done. Then now all you have to do is install the bootable Chrome OS Flex flash disk into your laptop or PC and enter the BIOS menu. Next, after you enter here, please first connect your laptop or PC to the internet network, either using Wi-Fi or using a LAN cable. Then select Yes. Then here there will be two menus that you can choose from. One is to install Chrome OS Flex, and there is one to try it first. If you want to run Chrome OS Flex from a flash drive without having to install it, you can choose to try it first. But if you want to install it straight away, you can choose to install Chrome OS Flex. Because here we will install it directly, so we select Install Chrome OS Flex and select Next. After that, select Install Chrome OS Flex, then select Install. Then wait for the installation process to complete. Once finished, your laptop or PC will immediately restart or turn off. Then please turn it on again and you will enter here. Then you select Accept, then here you select You and select Next. Then please sign in using your Google account. Okay, now we have entered Chrome OS Flex and it will look like this. Let's check the version here first. And here the version is this version. Okay, that's all my video about how to install Chrome OS Flex on Google Chrome. Hopefully it's useful, and see you again in the next video.